Welcome back to Desert Chat, Rob.
Well, good to be here. Thank you.
We love talking to you because we learn so much. And this month we're talking about the perils of probate. That sounds very, very educational.
Okay. Well, probate is I always say it's the process you go through if you didn't do an estate plan, or if you didn't do even a simple will, but certainly if you didn't do a trust, you got to go through probate. And there are two types of it. There's intestate probate, which means you didn't even do a simple will. So you have the will that was written for you by the state of California, and there is one that's in there. So this is what happens if you die without a will. This is where it all goes. And then if you do have a will, well, that has to be admitted to probate, and then it has to be administered by the judge. Just right off the bat, filing fee for probate's $480. The publication fee is, $500 to $600. Any real estate has to be appraised by the probate referee. They get 0.1% of it. You've got advertising expenses as well. The lawyer, as also the person named as the personal representative, get 4% of the first 100,000, 3% of the next 100,000, 2% of everything between 200,000 and $1 million. So probate, can easily cost the family $20,000, $30,000 by the time we're done. And here in Riverside, because there's such a shortage of judges and staff, we're running 1 to 2 years before you even get the process done.
Oh my gosh. And you said to make sure you lock things up if you have possessions.
Yeah, this is one of the best pieces of advice I can give anybody. As we age, we get a little more infirm. Sometimes we need to have a caregiver come in, and you might have valuables. You might have gold jewelry or diamonds, or you might have some coin collection or something. And right now you got it sitting in a drawer, and when you pass away, curiously, the drawer is empty. And who knows who took it? It could have been a family member, it could have been a caregiver, it could have been someone who came in to, work on the plumbing in the house or whatever, and, they got in there and it's all gone. So you want to make sure you have an inventory of that stuff and you have it in a safe place, whether it's a lockbox or you have a safe at home, and they're very inexpensive to get, just so it's secure, because you just don't want that stuff disappearing.
Yeah, well, those are great tips. Perils of probate does not sound good. Thanks for helping us out. Tell our viewers where they can get a hold of you.
It's law offices of Robert L. Firth. The website is firthlaw.com. There's lots of places for frequently asked questions there. The phone number is 760-770-4066. And you can reach me. You can call the office and schedule an appointment. My assistant will send you out a client information form, and then just come in and see me, and we'll sort of sort out what kind of plan you need. For some of my clients with a very small estate, they just need a simple will and a power of attorney and healthcare directives. A little bit. Usually, if your estate's over about $185,000, you need a trust. And the cost for a trust run anywhere from $2,500 to $4,000, but that's compared to anywhere from $11,000 to $30,000 in probate fees, and I can distribute 40 days after death with a trust. Otherwise, it's 1 to 2 years.
Wow.
So
good information, Rob. I know you're helping a lot of folks out there. Thanks
so
much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
All right.